Yeah, hi guys. Right, I'm going to do a tray bake for dinner, so I thought I'd just share with you how I'm going to make this particular tray bake. I'm going to put you on a bit of a time lapse. Right, here we go. So this is everything in the tray bake. I have got carrots, onions, peppers, new potatoes, aubergine, tomatoes, garlic, lemon, sweet corn, chicken, and peppers, yellow, red and green peppers in here. I've put some mixed Italian dried herbs on and some garlic granules on top of the chicken and some cayenne pepper. So I'm going to pop this in the oven now. It'll probably take about a good 40 minutes in the oven, and I'll show it to you when it's all done.